This spring, we are pleased to release the latest updates to StoreSpace in version 1.12. These include a range of improvements. Many have been developed in response to client requests and suggestions. The first two new functions will help systems administrators communicate with their StoreSpace users. Banner notifications can now be placed at the top of the screen on all pages of the StoreSpace online portal. This can be used for general communication, such as a countdown to a new range review, or to notify users of system upgrades so they can review the new features. To request a banner notification, please raise a Fresh Desk ticket. The second feature allows a support email to be sent to selected StoreSpace users from the portal. This could be used to advise CAD users of new equipment availability or ask individual users within a particular store to check their plans. This can again be requested via Fresh Desk, although future development will allow a client admin user to take advantage of this functionality. Two new document storage features have been created within StoreSpace. The generic storage can be found at the bottom of the home screen and is visible for all stores. This could be used for generic store models, change request forms, or other information that needs to be shared with all users. File Manager is found within the Maintenance section, and only admin users have permission to upload documents, but any user can download or view them. We have also created a store-specific storage area to hold documents and images for that store. The allowable document types, such as Excel, Word or PDF, and maximum file sizes can be configured to the client's requirements. This exciting new feature creates an environment for two-way communication between stores and head office. For example, a space change request form can be downloaded from the portal and emailed back to the store planning team using regular email. StoreSpace continues to be optimized for use on mobile devices. Here you can see the new Store Images tool in use on an iPhone. Customers have requested the ability to report on store areas in different ways, such as understanding the total space a department uses, including back-of-house storage or customer circulation spaces and lobby areas altogether. To address this, users can now create an area cluster, which allows the selection of any number of existing StoreSpace area names from any area category type to be reported on. In this simple example, you can see a new cluster type called Cold Chain being created, which will report on the chilled and frozen areas together. Additionally, we have further improved the areas functionality by no longer insisting an area must be tied to a department. This means, for example, that cash and wrap areas can be excluded from a department floor area total. A new one-week average option has been added to the profit versus linear report, which allows values from different time ranges to be compared within the same time period. For example, in a 13-week profit versus linear report, a planogram with 12 weeks sales can be compared to a planogram with just 2 weeks of sales. The StoreSpace Block Wizard has been improved to allow the automatic population of the linear value using the current drawing units by clicking 2 points in the desired locations. This means users no longer have to remember to measure before starting the block creation process, and allows the accurate definition of merchandisable width ready for accurate planogram width validation when a plan is published. We have added a new colouring tool that automatically colours a plan to show which library each fixture block can be found in. We have introduced this for clients who might use different libraries for different store formats, countries, or perhaps have a separate library for innovation or trial equipment. In this example, we have set separate colours for the Fashion Fixtures library and for the Core Fixtures library, which can then be used to colour the plan as shown. Finally, we have created new functionality within the text dimensioning tools to allow a user to include the linear length along with either the category name or the planogram name when applying the text. This is especially useful for planners when dealing with large planograms or if the planogram size is not included in its name.